Never waste a good crisis, so the saying goes. And as we meet today, we are certainly not lacking in this crisis department. Many of our countries are still recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, while others have been confronted with war and conflict in the region. It's safe to say that in recent years, the world has become more unpredictable and more dangerous. But every crisis is also an opportunity, a chance to break the trend and turn things around. The Declaration on Future Generations and the summit as a whole is such a moment. A moment when we as a global community decide to do things differently. The Declaration not only highlights the way every challenge we face is interconnected, like climate change, or the growing divisions and inequalities in our societies, it also urges us to change the status quo, to embrace solidarity across generations, and to take responsibility for the well-being of those who come after us. You can imagine that for the 3 Caribbean small island development countries within our kingdom, Aruba, Curacao, and St. Martin, this declaration is especially important. We are on the front line of climate change. One major hurricane can affect a family for generations. And yet, I speak to you with a sense of hope and realistic optimism, because turning this declaration into action will lead to better coordination and real results. Tomorrow, the Declaration on Future Generations will be annexed to the Pact for the Future, along with a global digital compact. Today, we will take a closer look at how to turn the declaration into practical action. What steps should we take first? What are the key commitments? And how can we plan ahead to create policies that truly meet the needs of future generations? Our panelists and speakers today will highlight real-life scenarios and the importance of shifting our mindset towards long-term, strategic, and evidence-based decision-making, looking beyond the limitations of political cycles. As governments bear the primary responsibility to safeguard the needs and interests of future generations, our focus today is on the concrete, actionable steps that member states should take to advance the full implementation of the Declaration on Future Generations. We commend governments, civil society, and other stakeholders already translating commitments into real-world results. Together, we will build new synergies and chart a clear path towards sustainable, just, and resilient actions, focusing on our future generations. Our youth representative from the Netherlands, Ms. Kiki Ritmeijer, will also be sharing her valuable insights on the topic of future generations. I wish you all a fruitful and inspiring meeting and invite you to listen to the message of Kiki.
Thank you so much.